I'm Darren Huff, and this is Tech Tuesday with another technical tip. Let's go check it out.
We are going to talk about the TRF115-005. First and foremost, here's the dial. Here's the arrow that tells the set point. It will range from 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18. It's got Celsius written on here too, all the way up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this is the probe. It's got a 5-foot lead on it. And then this is your probe, just like it's a bulb. So this gets attached to your pipe and that takes the temperature. This is a NEMA 4 enclosure. Inside, this is a really simple controller. It actually has 4 wires. You have your black, which is going to be your incoming power. So your L1. From there, the output, you're going to choose between black and red. In this illustration on the screen here, for our purposes, we're not using the blue. And you can see I just got it tapped off because you can use this for cooling. So we've got L1 coming in on the black, and then we've got the output going down to one side of the heating cable on the red, and then the other side of the heating cable returns back to either the neutral, or if they're using 240, this would be L2. So we're capping the blue, we're using the red. And the reason why you want to use the red is because the controller then is looking for temperatures below the set point. If I'm using the blue, it's going to open that switch when the temperature is above that set point. That's the TRF115. It's that simple.
That's it for this week. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on another Tech Tuesday.